Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, your discovery boss. So we're here with another video. So we're basically on Spanish Town Road. What we're going to take a look on today is a development by Sygnus Group, their real estate arm. They're building a complex, we could say a warehouse facility right here on Spanish Town Road. It's a very busy location. It's a main intersection as well, which you guys will see in a little bit. It is a drone video, so definitely stay to the end so you can see some drone shots of this area. I've never covered Spanish Town Road by drone. I've never covered this area by drone, so hopefully we can see some nice shots. So stay tuned. So again, we're at the intersection here, right on Spanish Town Road, and again you'll be able to see in a second or two. If you're new to the channel, if this is the first video you're seeing, what we cover here are videos showing new construction, new development, new roads, new house, new apartments, new commercial development. So whatever is new in Jamaica, whatever developments there are, highlighting the growth of Jamaica, that's what we show. We do driving videos as well. So subscribe, don't just watch and don't subscribe, because we're trying to get to 20,000 subscribers. Turn on your post notification bell so as soon as I post a new video you guys can see as well. Remember to like, remember to comment, because those help YouTube to push the video to persons that have never seen the channel before. So thanks for clicking on this video, thanks for watching this video, thanks for commenting even before you comment. And again, we're looking at a new commercial development on Spanish Town Road. I think they are around, say, 50% complete. So you guys will be able to see that. Right, let me flip the camera so you know where we are. Alright guys, so this is where we're at. A bit overclouded today. Alright, so we see the sign. So straight ahead, halfway 3, 6 miles to the left, Spanish Town to the left, Washington Boulevard to the left. So you can see a part of the development right there, and Sygnus is big and bold on their perimeter fence. So that's what we're gonna take a look on today. So again, stay tuned. Really appreciate the support. This is the very first video on this development as well. So it would be interesting to see what it looks from above. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Alright, so just some shots around this area right here. I know you guys probably very familiar with here. Alright, so we'll be sending up the drone very soon, so stay tuned. I know it's a bit overcast, but we're still sending up the drone. We still should be able to get some good shots nevertheless. So again, thanks for your support, guys. Just starting to upload again. We've been on a break for a few months. I know you guys missed the video, and we're just taking it one video at a time. So thanks again for your support, really appreciated. And stay tuned for the drone shots. Remember to subscribe, remember to share on all your social media platforms so that a lot more persons can see the channel as well. Alright, so I'm not 100% sure what they are building or what's gonna go there. So as usual, if you guys know what's gonna take over this location, just let us know in the comments if you know what Sygnus is putting here. So remember to comment, let me know what details you have, what information you have on this complex.